All right, this is Backroom with Jerdy. We're going to be solving for the height of a cone. Sometimes you're given the volume and you're given the radius, and you have to find what the height is. So let's go ahead and write our formula. For a cone, that's V equals pi times r squared times h divided by 3. The volume for this cone is going to be 200. The volume is 200 centimeters cubed. Let's go ahead and draw our cone and see what it looks like. So here it is. We know the radius is 5 centimeters, but we don't know the height. We don't know h. So what I can do is I can plug in the radius that I do have and the volume I have into the formula. So I'm just going to plug those numbers in where they go. So instead of V, I'm going to write 200 equals pi times r squared. R squared is 5, so 5 squared times h divided by 3. Okay, once it's all plugged in, you should only have one variable. That means you know you plugged everything in. So h is what we're going to get by itself. All of this stuff on the side with h needs to go away. So I need to undo the dividing by 3. I'm going to take care of that first. So I'm going to times both sides by 3 to eliminate that divide 3. So 3 times 200, so we get 600 on the left. On the right, we have pi. I'm going to go ahead right now and do the 25, because 5 squared is 25. So times 25 times h. Now, I know that pi and 25 are timesing by h. They're all together. When something's next to each other, like really close, but there's no symbol, that means multiplication. So I'm going to divide off the pi and the 25. I have to do that exact same thing on the other side, the pi and the 25. So the pi's are going to cancel, pi divided by pi, and 25 divided by 25. That leaves just h. So h, and this is approximation. I know it's going to be centimeters. And I need to do this division here. Here's an easy way you could do that. You could do 600 divided by pi, divide that answer by 25. So just take your turn dividing. If you want to do it all at once, you'll need to put pi and 25 in parentheses to divide it all at once. When you do that, you get 7.6, rounded to the tenths place, the first decimal. All right, go ahead and try one out yourself here. I'm going to draw a cone. The volume is going to be 500 inches cubed. And here is your cone. It's going to have a radius of 7 inches. Go ahead and pause and solve for h real quick, and then see what you get. See if you get the same answer as me. All right, you should have gotten 9.7 inches when you rounded it to the nearest tenths place, the first decimal.